seen signs of showers develop in the last few hours, one across central Wales, drifting slowly southwards, and one a bit further north, roughly across central England, if you like, really where they've been all day. But that line of, and there has been occasional heavy showers, even a thunderstorm recently, went through Manchester, and again it's drifting slowly south. Now those lines are still visible, but the majority of the showers are further north, up in western Scotland, which is probably where they'll stay. Now there's not much cloud around, which means temperatures are likely to drop quite quickly, possibly low enough for a touch of a ground frost in Grampian region in Scotland, and there will still be a few showers on the western coast of England and Wales, but the majority, as I say, will be up here in western Scotland. Throughout tomorrow, the winds will be not quite as brisk as they have been today, except maybe over Scotland, but they'll also turn to the southwest. Always an indication that something's heading our way, and you might get an idea it's in there. Indeed it is. This line suggests the showers will be bunched together and maybe give us a spell of more persistent rain. But it should start off nice, at least. Good bit of sunshine again over England and Wales, maybe eastern Scotland, maybe even Northern Ireland, with the occasional shower. But there will be heavier ones further north, possibly a rumble of thunder, and by the late afternoon, early evening, there's probably going to be a band of that sort of stuff down through the Irish Sea, through western England and through Wales. At the same time, the cloud will spill further east and get rid of the evening sunshine. It might even brighten up in Northern Ireland before the day is out. Temperature-wise, it'll be much the same as today, but the winds will be a little less strong in the south, so it'll still feel a little warmer than it should do for this time in November. On Thursday, a bit of a ridge coming in, and then later in the day, a rather complicated pair of fronts, which we'll ignore the detail of for now, but it does suggest at least a nice start to the day again in much of England and Wales, the eastern side of Scotland maybe. Then the rain is likely to come into Northern Ireland first and spread with some fairly stiff winds right across the northern part of England, possibly spots further south. Different story for Scotland, a fairly cold northerly breeze bringing a few showers with it. Temperature-wise,